Hello everyone. Today we will study about dust particles, which is an ongoing topic related to composition of atmosphere. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. So dust particles. Dust particles are generally concentrated in the lower layer of the atmosphere. So you observe that mainly dust particles are located near the lower layers of the atmosphere. It may be consist like smoke or fog. Conventional current may transport them to great heights. So conventional current can transport it into great heights. The higher concentration of dust particle is found in subtropical and temperate regions due to dry wind in comparison to equatorial and polar region. So this is IMP point, that a higher concentration of dust particle consist in a subtropical and temperate regions due to dry winds in comparison to equatorial and polar regions. This question can be asked in prelims exams of many like UPSC and SSC and many exams. So dust and salt particles act as a hygrosonic nuclei around with new water vapor condenses to produce clouds. So this is also important point that dust and salt particles act as a hygroscopic nuclei around the water vapor condenses to produce clouds. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.